Ready? Now, I want you to hear. I'm okay. So you see how you drop it? Bring it a little bit more and then see this? Okay. So you see how the line is all it's not straight?
Some or whatever they're
So what you want to do
nice.
is reel it to make it straight.
They're not messing with me.
So when you just pull it like that, and it will set the hook. Good. Okay?
Yeah, because both times he threw his in, something immediately grabbed it. Watch out, Jordan.
You don't got to do it super hard up here. You caught one?
Yes, sir. He's nibbling at
Oh.
my bait.
Ah.
Yeah, he took my bait.
Alright, let it go right here.
Oh, he's throwing pretty far. Go down there by that super clear spot over there.
Yeah, maybe we go down there. I wonder if we could stay on the bridge or something.
That clear spot over there.
Yeah, because he keeps throwing it in stuff. Jordan, you all right over there?
See it?
Okay.
Up and then reel, okay? Don't like you pull up and pull up one. Okay? Where's your pull at? Sorry, pull up and yours.
Let's see if something gets on it again. Oh, there you go. Did it get it? Did you get it? Not yet. Is your worm still on there? Did it get your worm? Oh, got your worm. Come on, we'll get a worm for you. Reel that in. You got to reel that up. So you don't want it just dragging. You got your worm again? Oh, let's see. There might be one in here.
Did the fish eat the worm?
Yes, it did. All right, hold on. You almost caught a fish.
I'm trying to catch a fish.
Here, give me that. It looks hot. It's fine. It looks hot. You're just holding this thing. All right, you got a worm? All right, we got to put it on there. Huh? Okay. Let's see. Let's see your hook. Where's your hook at? Oh, yeah. You don't want to stick it on you.
Right. You need help with the worm? I mean, the hook?
Yeah.
Right. Is that your worm?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here, let me set his one up first real quick.
Well, no, this is good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
I found another
Here.
one.
Anthony, set him up with the worm while I'm setting here.
How many more hooks do we have left?
We have a couple.
Like 4? They're not messing with the lures out here on this one. That's not like the creek.
Kenny, where are you going?
Watch out. Ooh, I thought you caught something. It's just because there's so many lily pads and whatnot out here. You can't caught it.
Who has, wait, what worm do I need to use? That one? Okay. And grab your pole so
Like, no.
it does.
Like, so strong. People really like the smell of dogs.
Unless people are bringing their dogs over here. I know I've seen a bunch. Oh, man, there's a fish out in the middle of the...
Where?
Right out where that little... See where the...
Oh, did it look like a big fish?
I don't know. It just looked like a big bubble or something moving the water out there.
Maybe it's a bass.
Okay,
Be careful, watch your fingers.
Do I stick it? Do I stick the...
Here, I'll help you. Here you go.
There you go. So you're ready.
Stick it in?
Let's see.
You see that big open spot down there where there's no green stuff?
All right, yeah, we'll walk down
there
here.
So you won't get
Come
caught
on.
on anything when you catch it. All right?
We'll walk down this side and see if you can catch something over here. So then that way it's not getting caught on anything. And then Jordan will probably come down here and try as well with you. All right, so yeah, so like in that area over there, go down a little further. Yeah, so go ahead. You don't have to be that, go ahead, that's fine. All right, well, let's see. Let's watch. See what happens. And, all right, reel it in slow. Just move it around slow. Just reel it in slow. All right, now stop.
How you guys doing?
We're doing good. How are you doing? Jordan, come over here. Come. Well, go ahead. That's fine. That's fine. Go ahead. You're good. All right, go ahead. Huh?
Okay. So go ahead, reel it up a little bit. Or you can do that. Oh. You might want to reel that one. Yeah, reel it up a little bit.
This is the only one it seems like fish are bothering with him.
Go there. Walk it.
Is your worm still on it? Yep. Good job. All right, throw it back out.
Same place.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Jordan's right there. Let's see what you got. Ah, that's pretty cool.
Yes,
Hold on, let me-
Now pick it up like that. It's cool, just lip it. Like that, hold it.
Just hold it like this.
Bye-bye, little
Is
fish.
it going back?
Yeah.
Alright.
The teeth just kept getting the glove, and I didn't want the glove to.
Oh, there was teeth in there?
Yes.
Oh, well
You pulled it under the lip, yo. That's how you do it.
Yeah, you were doing it too far.
So I did feel something on that fake worm when I
Yeah,
threw
you
it out
probably
there.
got a bath.
It was a big one because it just yanked it and then it went off. Good stuff, Ant.
Listen, Alan actually dropped it in. It was right here.
Oh, this is a
See, I
sunfish.
don't do this part.
There you go. Now you can just.
And I did this.
Oh,
You see the spikes on it?
Yeah. Ready?
About to try to
Oh.
rip it. Yeah, you see the spikes on it? There's spikes on it. So that's why we're scared.
oh.
I'm about to go get some bait. Set her up with bait again.
Jordan's moved back down here. He's like, I'm gonna stay down here then. This is where I should be at. Yeah, because remember every time he threw something over there,
Yeah, I didn't even need to.
something kept grabbing it.
Hey, that was my first pass with this.
Yeah, you gotta bring it in. There you go. Keep doing it.
Yeah, I saw it over there, but you lost it. I saw it. Ah, good job, good job.
That was a good job. Though. Wait, because it's gonna catch on you, baby. You ready? That's our
Yeah,
I'm done for the day.
you're done. What's up? You giving up?
Man.
No, you've taught them well. They've been. you've taught them well. You got to keep at it. Are you just coaching now? You're just going to coaching now. You're like, I'm gonna just coach. I'm not.
Look at all these snails.
He's giving up.
Want to see one? Right there. Look at all these snails. Oh yeah, those snails are cool.
Yeah, that was definitely. It was definitely on there.
That's a shell. That's its home.
Wow, that's good.
I threw the hot dog.
Yeah, Jordan, try to go back to your same spot.
Alright.
I'm trying to get you a good spot, Katie.
I know how to get it.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, what are you doing?
Well, wait,
Stop!
I guess I caught something.
You did, but you gotta reel that back. No.
Stop!
You gotta reel it in. Don't pull it.
What is,
Reel
oh,
it
Jordan's
in.
over there.
There you go. Reel it in.
All right, nothing's on it. Nothing's on it. You got to put stop.
Well, you can use this as the bluegill like these without anything on
Oh, okay. There you go. Okay, and you're good over here.
it. Oh my God, that was amazing. Good job.
You, I always got to step
I was just
back.
waiting for it to be in my eye. That's where the oh my God came from. You did really good.
Yeah, because over there he wouldn't even tell me. He'd just like, and I'm like, oh, what? Like, stop.
Oh wait.
Ah, now it's gonna be crossed up.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Here, yeah, go around your brother. Wait.
Stop, Kenny.
Wait.
Stop, Kenny. Stop, Kenny.
Katie, wait. Sure. Yeah, because then you'll get your fishing tangle.
All right, there you go. Yeah, I saw the fish out there. He was trying to get it.
Yeah.
He's trying to reel it in.
He had it. If those lilies weren't there, he would have had it.
Yeah, I think I just lack patience for this sort of thing.
Yeah.
And it takes a lot. When I started painting again, I just didn't paint because I didn't have patience to.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Go throw it back out there? Okay. Woo! That was good. You guys are like anglers now.
I know, for your first day,
Right.
picked up something new.
It's always good to be well rounded.
over here? You can go over there.
I'm not really sure what that stance is. But, I mean, it's scaring the fish, yeah. They're going to jump on that hook because they know that you're going to do that.
You want to try over here?
It's okay.
Why don't you try a worm again? They're right there.
Pretty name, Dan?
You want to try on this side over here?
Colette.
Yeah, he said you could try over there and see. I don't want you to give up yet. Stop. I don't want you to give up yet.
After Anthony caught that bass, I was sick.
Yeah, but you did this on the damn boat, too.
That's because I caught like 10 things, but everything wanted to either get off or break my line.
But you were a part of that because you had to put the glove on and come remove it.